Let's move on to lesson 4 in chapter 1. This is on page 33 of your textbook. So our first example here is that Miss Cochran is planning a year-end pizza party for her students. Ace Pizza offers free delivery and charges $8 per medium pizza. So if we continue the table here for costs of pizza, one pizza is $8, as we know. 2 pizzas, we'd add another 8 and get 16. 3 pizzas, add another 8. 4 pizzas, add another 8. And $8 more for another pizza, 40. Now if we look at these and divide them to find the unit rate, $16 for 2 pizzas should be 8. 24 divided by 3 for 3 pizzas would also give you $8 for 1. $32 for 4 also reduces to $8 for 1. And $40 divided by 5 should also reduce to 8 to 1. So what do you notice? Well, they're all equal. They all equal $8 for 1 pizza. So they all have the same unit rate, and we would call this a proportional relationship. As you add 1 more pizza, the cost goes up by $8. If you turn the page, here's your definition for proportional. They have a constant ratio or unit rate. If you were to divide those pizzas and one of them didn't come out to be $8 per pizza, then we'd call that non-proportional. All right, look at example 1. Andrew earns $18 per hour for mowing lawns. Is the amount of money he earns proportional to the number of hours he spends mowing? So here's your unit rate, $18 for 1 hour. Let's divide this one, 36 divided by 2. That also gives us 18. 54 divided by 3 also gives us 18. And 72 divided by 4 is also 18. So we would call this a proportional relationship because they all had the same unit rate. For every extra hour he works, he earns another $18. Okay, I'm going to skip letter A at the bottom of that page and move on to the next page. Example 2. Uptown Tickets charges $7 per baseball game ticket plus a $3 processing fee. Is the cost of an order proportional to the number of tickets ordered? So if you add the $7 for the ticket plus the $3 processing fee, your first ticket is $10. So that's your unit rate. Then you want to buy another ticket. So all you have to do is add another 7. You need another ticket for another friend, add another 7. Another ticket for another friend, add 7. So ask yourself, when you do 17 divided by 2, do you get $10? No, you're actually going to get $8.50. 24 divided by 3 is 8, and 31 divided by 4 is $7.75. So they do not have the same unit rates. We call this not proportional. The reason they don't have the same unit rates and that they're non-proportional is because there was a $3 processing fee added to your first ticket, and it was not added to all the other tickets. Okay, example 3 there, you can look at that. That one comes out to all be proportional as well. All right, so look at letter B at the bottom there. Isabel had $120 in her bank, and then she starts depositing $20 each week. Is her bank balance proportional to the number of weeks of deposits? So for the first week, she had $120 plus a 20 more that she puts in. So we have 140. Then she's going to add another 20, and then she's going to add another 20. So if you divide this out, we're looking for $140 for 1 week. Well, 160 divided by 2 is 80, and 180 divided by 3 is 60. So this is non-proportional. They do not have the same unit rates. And the reason for this is because she started with $120 in the bank account before she started depositing $20 each week. If she would have started at 0 and then did 20, 40, 60, 80, it would have been proportional.